My name is Brandon Marvel at Jones Tech Institute. I am working on this Peterbilt 1997 Peterbilt again. Yes, it does have a lot of problems with it. Another thing we're doing today is the turn signal lights. The customer came in saying that the turn signal lights, one of them wasn't working. And so we're going to figure out what the problem is. What I'm first going to do is check fuses and see what's going on with fuses. That's what we'll do. Sit the phone quick. So I'm gonna check these fuses down here. Where's that light at? I don't need the light. I'll just use this light. And you got light on that fuse. You can go down the next fuse. Light there on that second fuse. Third fuse. Good. We're using the test light one. Another thing that was going on with the vehicle was that the low pressure sensor wasn't working. Oh, we got the fourth fuse down. There's got to be a blown fuse. Yeah, blown fuse. Let's replace that one with a 20 amp fuse real quick. Plug this one back in. Let's see if we got the turn signal. Got that turn signal going. That one's not working still. That one's turning. Let's go and see. Let's check the wiring right here. I think. Let's see. It's a little loose. Let's see if we can plug it right in and see if it'll turn on. It might be one of the light bulbs, maybe. Nope. The connection, it was loose. That's all it was loose. Alright. Now we looked it up on Mitchell and we saw what they I looked up the. Let me turn this blinker off. I looked up the specs on what fuse was the low pressure sensor for the hydraulics and air, mainly the air. So I started looking over here. I need that flashlight. Sorry about that, I had to get the flashlight. It'd be better. Like earlier, I checked the first top fuse in that one. The second fuse, it's trying to focus. Second fuse, the third fuse, and then the fourth fuse is the one that was blown, so I replaced it with a 20. All the other fuses are good. I checked them earlier. I automatically looked over here and noticed a big difference. That, see how one's missing? Well, somebody was messing around with it, and I guess the customer was messing around with it, or somebody else that he took it to was messing around with it, and the fuse, someone pulled the fuse and it wasn't working. So what I did, it's a 20 amp fuse, just grab another 20 amp fuse that I got here. See if this is the blown one or not. No, this is the new one. And then you just plugged it up, and you should start hearing it go off in a few. Yep, there it goes. Oh my god. There was the problem, and all I used was a test light, Mitchell one, and needed one of those pliers, and that's it.